If you have the MPC-005 Research Methods in Psychology exam, this video is for you. I analyzed previous year question papers from 2022 to December 2025 and selected the most important topics based on repeated question patterns. This is not a leaked paper and exact questions cannot be guaranteed, but these topics are very important for your exam preparation. You can pause the video and take screenshots of the questions and easy answers shown on the screen. First, focus on reliability. Learn its definition and the main methods of estimating reliability. The easiest way is to first remember the headings and then learn one or two lines for each method. Grounded theory is also very important. Just remember one simple idea: data first, theory later. For coding, remember OAS, open, axial, and selective coding. Next is factorial design. Make sure you understand main effect and interaction effect. Main effect is the effect of one variable, while interaction effect means the effect depends on another variable. For survey research, learn the types and steps. Cross-sectional means one point in time, while longitudinal means a longer period of time. Research process is another topic you should not skip. Try to remember all the steps in the correct order. Use the memory trick shown on the screen instead of memorizing the full answer word by word. Here is an important exam tip. For a 10-mark answer, do not write only the definition. Start with a short definition, use clear headings, and explain each heading in 2 or 3 simple lines. Add an example if you remember one. Also prepare ethnography and discourse analysis. For ethnography, remember culture, people, and natural setting. For discourse analysis, remember language, context, and meaning. Ex post facto and quasi-experimental research can be confusing. For ex post facto, remember after the fact. The event has already happened. For quasi-experimental research, remember that complete random assignment is missing. Validity is also important. Learn the main threats to internal validity, especially history, maturation, testing, instrumentation, selection, and mortality. The next questions shown in the video are also worth preparing. Research design, between group and within group design, correlational research, field experiment, and non-probability sampling. For correlational research, remember one important line: correlation does not prove causation. For non-probability sampling, remember CPQS: convenience, purposive, quota, and snowball sampling. For research report, remember IMRAD: introduction, method, results, and discussion. For case study, remember one case, deep study. And for qualitative data analysis, remember the simple flow: data, coding, categories, themes, and meaning. Do not ignore section C. Short notes can be easy scoring questions. Prepare objectivity, field experiment, content analysis, simple random sampling, extraneous and confounded variables within subject design, and qualities of good research. If you have very little time, first study reliability, grounded theory, factorial design, survey research, and research process. Then prepare research design, validity, ethnography, and discourse analysis. One final tip: do not try to memorize every answer word by word. Learn the definition, remember the headings, and understand the basic meaning. In the exam, explain each heading in simple words and keep your answer properly structured. Pause the video, take screenshots of these important questions, and revise them before your exam. All the best.